Welcome to
Take It in the Kitchen.
And today we're going to bring a very nice recipe. What is that, Juliet?
Corn dogs.
Corn dogs. Can you tell a little bit of corn dogs?
Corn
dogs.
Corn dogs are like hot dogs, but they're fried. And basically, you may be asking me, why are they corn dogs? It's not that they have corn in them. They have cornmeal in them.
Oh, indeed. So where's this corn dog been created, Juliet?
They have been created by the German Texans all the way in the 1920s.
1920?
Yes.
Oh goodness, they're quite old. Do you think they're tasteful? Alright guys, for you to see how we make these amazing corn dogs, you have to
like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you always get notified on our new videos. And also all the ingredients down below in the description
They will
box.
be down below in here on the description box. Have you been already subscribing us?
Well, if you haven't, do it now.
Indeed.
It's not rocket science.
Yes. So guys, please follow us to the end of the video and you see how we make it.
And also, a quick thing. We are sorry we haven't been posting videos for so long. We've been thinking of a new recipe.
Indeed. Guys, follow us, please. Bye.
Okay guys, to start off on making our batter for our corn dogs, we're going to start by adding 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, all in there, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, mix it up a little bit, one egg, then 1 cup of milk. Mix it up, mix it very well.
Pode mexer que o pai vai parar com ele daqui a pouco. Pode mexer. Eu acho que vai ter que precisar de mais milk. Vai precisar de mais milk. Tá bem. Coloca um pouquinho de pepper agora.
Now you're gonna have to put a little bit of pepper. And then just keep mixing. Keep mixing all the way until you get this. And now you can put your batter for your corn dogs in the fridge for 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to put the remaining wooden skewers out of our 10 into our frankfurters. You have to stick it in all the way so it's stable. It may be a little bit hard, but that's the whole process. There you go. Okay, so now that our batter has been in the fridge for 10 minutes, we are now going to dip our sausages into the batter. And to make it easier, we have used a large cup to like fully dip it into. And now we're going to fry it in the oil for 3 to 4 minutes at exactly 190 degrees until it goes lightly brown. Okay, it looks like the first one is getting ready. Whilst the older chef is helping to dip the sausages into the batter.
Now here comes the best part for us and the worst part for you guys, but we're going to yes, we're gonna try it. My one comes with mustard.
But
What?
wait, if they were following along, it will also be the best part of them.
Ah yes, indeed. Well spotted, Juliet. Well done, guys. I'm gonna try one with mustard, and Juliet's with mayo.
Yes.
Great, time. Mmm. 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 Amazing. Please try at home. It's delicious, delicious, delicious. No way. I haven't been talking to my mouth.
Yes, you have!
Well done, guys. Please follow us, try at home, leave the comments below, and see us on the next video. Bye!